No more gatekeeping. This is part 2 of how I build an assignment tracker on Google Sheets. If you haven't seen part 1, stop, go back, and then come here. But if you just want to see how I did a pivot table on the fly, then just stick around. We finished part 1 by putting the assignments table together and deciding the format for each one of the fields. Next step that I did was add an assignments column on the tab where I had put the values for the drop-down fields, so I could have a sum of how many of each one of those values were present in the assignments tab. Could I have done as a pivot table? Absolutely. Did I want to do as a pivot table? No, because pivot tables don't like formatting that well. Also, pivot tables, you have to click to refresh them. If you use formulas like I am about to show you, you don't have to. They automatically update every time you update your spreadsheet. You are going to do a Countif function. In the Countif function, you're counting how many instances of a certain value are displayed within a range. So first you put the range and then you put the criteria. Now you're going to see that for the rows that did not have a value under the subject course, a 0 showed up. And I just don't like that. To fix that, I wrapped my Countif formula in an if statement, saying if the value of the course and subject is blank, do nothing. If it's not blank, do the Countif function. There you have it. I replicated that for every single table on this tab, and now you know how to do it too. I know you're going to say, but there's a lot of work put into this. I don't have time for that, and I don't want to wait for part 3, 4, 5, as many parts as you're going to do. I have the spreadsheet ready to go, available for you on everydayspreadsheet.com. If you like this tip, don't forget to share with a friend that you think could benefit from it as well.